And he does not like his hiccups, right? We don't like the hiccups. But we get them at least once a day. I would say once a day. We may go one day without them, and then we'll have two in a day. But it normally happens when he gets a little fussy or a little upset, and if he's eaten probably within 30 to 40 minutes prior. All right, let me pick my little man up and comfort him. And normally, in order to get rid of the hiccups, what I typically do is I will breastfeed him, and the hiccups go away pretty much instant.